that in this course we learn about the concepts and rationales of the mobilization techniques, as well as the techniques that we can apply for the upper extremity as well as for the lower extremity in the practical part. So, what is the definition of joint mobilization techniques? These techniques are a passive manual therapy techniques that providing a mobility of the joints to modulate pain and treat the joint dysfunction in terms of limitation of range of motion. And finally, correct the alteration in the biomechanical situation of the joints. So, any type of manual therapy techniques that providing the joint mobility that modulate the pain and increase range of motion named as joint mobilization techniques. As a whole, the aim of these techniques are modulate pain, increase range of motion, and finally treat the dysfunction of the joints in different parts of our body. You know that there is too many factors that may be affected the mechanics, normal mechanics of the joints. For example, if there is pain and muscle guarding due to the pain, the biomechanics of the joints should be disrupted. If there is joint hypermobility due to the contraction and restriction of the movement, the normal biomechanics should be affected. Also, joint effusion, edema around the joint, has similar effect on the joint mechanics. Contractures or adhesion tissue around the joints and capsules or ligaments that support the joint can produce some malalignments or pathomechanics of the joint. So, any derivation from normal biomechanics to pathomechanics due to this reason that I talked about it, producing pathomechanics, and one of the choice of treatments for these conditions is joint mobilization techniques. First of all, I would like to talk about the terminology in this topic. There is too many synonyms or a little difference between some of them maybe exist that you should know more about them. Manual therapy, manipulation, mobilization techniques, thrust and non-thrust manipulation, massage techniques, okay? So there is too many alternative terminology in this issue. But as a whole, you should know that in physiotherapy, we talk about the mobilization of the joints. And in the new terminology, it is better to say manipulation of the joints. Then manipulation of the joints can be divided two categories, thrust and non-thrust. Thrust means very high speed techniques that is not included in your curriculum, just we teach it on the PhD courses. But non-thrust manipulation techniques has a similar meaning of the mobilization techniques. Okay, and it is totally different from the massage. Massage techniques are totally different from the mobilization techniques. So when we are talking about mobilization techniques, we mean that non-thrust manipulation techniques should be done. The history of these techniques come back to 2008 before in the Thailand and Egypt, and also there is some evidence regarding to the Hippocrates that used manual traction spinal deformities. Hippocrates is an old medicine, you know that, he is in Egypt, that in the cases that there is subluxation of the shoulder, he used the manual traction for reduction of the joint, and it is the first evidence and history of manipulation or